Ningguang's little secretary! We found all the materials!
Oh! All three of you found them too. The Wonder Cores and Adepti sigils look good. I hereby announce that the winners of this material procurement contest are the Traveler, Yunjin, and Beidou.
What? It's over already?
So close, but so far.
I'd like to invite our three winners to please proceed to the Jade Chamber.
Huh? Where's Beidou?
Captain Beidou has some business to attend to. She will join.
Alright then, guess we'll head on up to the... This has been a long time coming.
Combine the Adepti sigils with the Wonder Cores and insert them into the Jade Chamber's control compartment. The construction of the new Jade Chamber. Thank you all for your work.
Yeah!
Miss Yun.
That's right. Lady Ningguang, I would like to hear your opinion.
The unveiling of Miss Yun's grand new opera surely requires a venue of equal grandeur. So what would you say if I proposed that we stage your first performance right here, in the newly built Jade Chamber? The Jade Chamber offers a splendid panoramic view of the mountains and the bustling city. It is fitting for the finest performance to be hosted in the heavens. I can think of no better stage for you than here, Miss Yun.
Thank you, Lady Ningguang. Then I will prepare my props and other articles shortly.
You're quite welcome.
A traveler, Shenhe, Paimon, I'll be leaving now. Do come and...
You're next. What is your question? I should clarify. I do not know your
Wow, you're a mind reader, Ningguang. Oh well, guess Paimon will ask a question then.
Managing a success, if you want to know how to make...
Wow.
Your question was written, so I promise you that should you one day require financial assistance, you may seek employment here.
Oh, great! So next time we run out of Mora, we just need to come to Ningguang? No more questions from us.
Me?
Yes, this is a group effort.
Thank you. But I don't have...
Are you sure? This is a once-in-a-lifetime...
Yeah, just don't waste it. Hold on a second. Paimon can probably think of another one.
Lady Ningguang, do you think I can ever fit in Liyue Harbor?
Now that is an interesting question. Liyue Harbor is very inclusive. As long as you respect the... So, the key is whether or not you yourself can develop a sense of belonging in Liyue Harbor.
Oh.
Yes. To become fond of a place. Perhaps someone you've met, or something you've experienced here. In short.
I see.
Hey, what's going on? I just went to see the fleet a little later than expected.
Come on, Beidou! It's your turn! Do you have a question for Ningguang?
Me? Nah. Ningguang, don't forget what It's not gonna be easy to deal with. I don't think my fleet can take it on their own.
Don't worry. I have made preparations. The wound dressings are ready, and the Millilith have set up an ambush.
Glad to hear it. Watch your...
Beidou? Ningguang? What are you talking about?
You'll see when the Jade Chamber ascends. However, it's not the most pleasant topic of conversation. Maybe it's better that you don't know. When I first set foot in the Jade Chamber, I stood at the edge of the platform and looked down upon Liyue Harbor far below. At that time, I dreamed that one day the Jade Chamber's shadow would be seen in all 7 nations of Teyvat. My wish has not changed to this very day. However, it is not only out of consideration for myself that I hope the Jade Chamber will always float in the skies, and I hope that you can all let the Ascension ceremony commence! Combine the Adepti sigils with the Wonder Cores and insert them into the Jade Chamber's control compartment. The construction of the new Jade Chamber is now officially complete. Thank you all for your work.
Yeah!
Miss Yun,
That's right. Lady Ningguang, I would like to hear
the unveiling of Miss Yun's grand new opera surely requires a venue of equal grandeur. So what would the Jade Chamber offers a splendid panoramic view of the mountains and the bustling city. It is... You're quite welcome.
a traveler, Shenhe, Paimon. I'll be leaving now. Do come and see my play when...
You're next. What is your question? I should clarify.
Wow.
Managing a successful business is not as simple as you... If you want to know how to make money, I will honor our agreement.
Wow. Paimon had...
Your question was written all over your face, so I promise you that should you...
No more questions from us. Shenhe, you got a question?
Me?
Yes, this is a group effort.
Thank you.
Are you sure? This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I'd urge you not to squander it.
Yeah, just don't waste it. Hold on a second. Paimon can probably think of another one.
Lady Ningguang, do you think I can ever fit in Liyue Harbor?
Now that is an interesting question. Liyue Harbor is very inclusive. So, the key is whether...
A sense of belonging.
Yes. Perhaps someone you've met, or something you... In short, everyone needs a reason to stay. I hope you can find yours soon.
I see.
Hey, what's going on? I just went to see the fleet. I'm a little later than expected.
Come on, Beidou. It's your turn. Do you have a question for Ningguang?
Me? Nah, I ain't got... Ningguang, don't forget what we talked about. It's not gonna be easy to...
Don't worry. I have made preparations. The wound dressings are ready, and the Millilith have set up an ambush.
Glad to hear it. Watch your back. Stay alert.
Beidou, Ningguang.
You'll see when the Jade Chamber ascends. However, it's not the most pleasant topic of conversation. When I first set foot in the Jade Chamber, I stood at the edge of the platform. At that time, I dreamed. My wish has not changed to this very day. I hope the Jade Chamber will always float in the skies above Liyue Harbor, bearing witness to the prosperity and peace of the human world. And I hope that you can all witness it with me. Let the Ascension ceremony commence! On cue, the Avenger of the Vortex, Beisht.
Who is that?
Osial's wife, final follower of the Overlord of the Vortex.
Sounds like you knew this was coming.
Beidou sensed something was stirring in the deep. She warned me months ago. Knowing she harbors hatred toward the Jade Chamber, I chose to rebuild it now as a way of drawing her out.
Got it. Well, let's go fetch the Adepta.
No. In this human age, the people of Liyue must find a way to overcome this crisis on our strength alone!
What's that? Wait! A giant wave!
You are a cursed child. Your life brings nothing but disaster to us all. At least if you die, I can bring her back.
The day you learn how to use your strength for the good of others is the day that you can truly become part of human society.
What are you doing here?
We can't let you be the only one taking this risk.
I hardly see this as a great risk. The people of Liyue Harbor are well prepared, and she is already badly injured. Only sheer willpower is keeping her alive. I may be nearing the end of my stamina, but in a fight to the death, I think I have the upper hand.
We'll help too.
Manifest! Unleash!
Hey! Nowhere to hide.
Do your master's bidding! You'll regret that! In your dreams! Obey! Unleash! Obey! Oh! Unleash! Manifest! Hip!
Rest and rebuild! Don't blink! Incoming! Cut to the chase! Hold the line! Don't blink!
Cryo Incarnate!
Must keep draining.
Rest and rebuild!
Unleash!
Incoming. Stronger than I thought.
I'm just a little exhausted. Otherwise, fine. I wanted to deal with it myself. I didn't expect you to follow me. Don't worry. She's not coming back anytime soon. After an injury like that, she'll likely seek refuge somewhere else.
How did things go underwater?
It's been dealt with. She was injured before entering the water.
Good. So the crisis has been safely averted.
Lady Ningguang, the fleet reports that the sea monster has left Guyan Stone Forest and the surrounding waters have returned to normal.
Thank you. How are the Millilith?
Thanks to the medical supplies you prepared and Lady Keqing's command, of course we owe huge thanks to this young lady for her help. On behalf of the entire Millilith, thank you for your service.
Great. I wasn't trying to be a hero, though.
Let the soldiers recuperate.
Yes, ma'am.
You've been monitoring us for some time now.
You wish to hear one's opinion. Well, things...
That I do not deny. However, final victory was always going to be ours. If it came to it, I could always destroy another jade chamber.
One has observed your adaptation of the Guizhong ballista, and find oneself compelled to admit that you have evidenced some degree of novel thinking. You have learned from past failures and prepared for this crisis in advance. This is considerable progress compared to the last time. Hence, on balance, one finds your performance during this trial satisfactory enough. But there will no doubt be further trials to come in the future. Do not suppose that one will not continue observing you hereafter.
While the position of Tianquan remains mine.
Shenhe, one saw you secretly venture out from the mountains a few years ago, and noticed the air of dejection in which you returned. Hopefully this trip to Liyue Harbor has been a different experience.
Yes. I can't explain it, but... I feel happier than I expected.
Good. In fact...
There'll be no...
Oh. Fine. Since you care not to listen, one shan't be telling you.
Please, have a good rest. We must celebrate both the completion...
Flags fly! Yeah!
come with me.
Wow! Everyone's already seated! It's Paimon's first time attending a banquet in the Jade Chamber. The food...
All of you here are my distinguished those who don't drink alcohol.
Have you heard? Miss Yun's going to be performing today.
Sure have. Honestly, it's the main reason I'm here. I hear she's going to perform The Divine Damsel of Devastation today, the one written by her father. I've been...
Hey! Look! Miss...
神女披冠到这里本该接近尾声，但今日我再添一笔，唱与诸位听。彼时鹤归，茫茫天地无依靠，孤身离去。今日再会，新朋旧友坐满堂，共聚此时。
What did you think? Personally, I thought I sang rather well.
It was beautiful! Paimon wants to learn too!
It was wonderful. Also, thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks to you, the Divine Damsel of Devastation is a more nuanced tale than ever. The play has an ending, but life goes on.
Thank you.
Ms. Yun, here you are, huh? Hey, this young lady with the white hair looks like some kind of VIP. Yeah, that's it, like an adeptus. Wait, you're the girl from the opera, aren't you? The Divine Damsel herself. And look who else we have here, the illustrious traveler. Well, I'll be. This was definitely worth showing up for. Let me pull up a chair, all right?
Alternatively, you could leave us alone.
Uh-oh, this feels all too...
Hey, what are you...
Calm down, Shenhe.